Hi guys, I'm Nina Dobrev, and today I'm going to be teaching you Bulgarian slang. All right, so the first one is choveche, which means person. That's the phonetic translation, but that's how it's written in Bulgarian. The next one is kvo pravish ma? What are you doing, man? This next one is dabe dabe, which is kind of like, okay, come on. Stop it. Basically, like you're exaggerating, like cut me some slack, give me a break. Next up is dremimina, what is it? Dremimina shapkata. Dremimina shapkata. I actually don't know what that means. Like I'm sleeping with my hat on or something?
It means I don't care about anything.
That makes sense. Got it. It's almost like a meh, sleeping on my hat. Oh, another weird, fun Bulgarian fact is that this means yes in Bulgarian and this means no. So when you go to Bulgaria, you're like, hey, can I use your bathroom? And they'll go, da. And you're like, oh, okay, sorry. And they're like, no, da, come. It's very strange. Brat. Sounds like a brat, but brat in Bulgarian means brother. Zdrave. This is probably my favorite, and if you're visiting Bulgaria, you should make this a priority to learn. It means cheers in Bulgarian. See this little weird, like house? That's a D. D. Next up we got grazne. Oh, gaje is like, they're my boyfriend. Gaje is like somebody I'm going out with. Well, obviously I haven't had a lot of gajes in Bulgaria, so didn't have to learn this one. Coupon. This one I know. Coupon means party in Bulgarian. Lately, as an adult, I've been going back to Bulgaria to visit my family, so I haven't really been hitting the nightclub scene by any means. And when I was there, when I was younger, I definitely was not doing that. So, not a big coupon person. All right, next one we have Nimi pravi selski numera, is kind of like saying, don't play tricks on me. Don't be a little shit, basically. Kifla. I don't know why, but it's fun to say. Kifla. It means like a loaf or like a food or a brick, I think. I'm not quite sure.
People call like superficial girls or like girls who take off selfies.
Yeah, so Instagram models are kiflas. That makes sense. This next one is money. Get away from me. Shoo. This one is da si v filma. Da si v filma means you're in the movie.
It just means like someone's being overdramatic or something.
Oh. See, I should have known that one. This is literally my job. I think one thing we've learned today is that I need to go visit Bulgaria more often. And I need to get caught up with the Bulgarian slang and the times.